In this video, we're going to go over 17 of the best real estate marketing companies that can help you grow your business. You're an expert in real estate, but that doesn't make you an expert in real estate marketing. And if you need some help with marketing, you aren't alone. When I was building my own real estate business, I found I was spending way too much time managing my social media, website, and ads, and less time making deals, connecting with people, and forming relationships. Today, I'm going to show you the best real estate marketing companies that can help you build your brand, save time, and save money. What's going on, everyone? I'm Kyle Handy, a realtor and team leader here in San Antonio, Texas. I help teach other realtors, team leaders, and brokers how to grow and scale their real estate business through digital marketing, content creation, social media, as well as tried and true methods. And if you want proven strategies that you can use to get more leads, closings, and scale your team, you'll love this video. Keep watching. Before I get started, if you could do me a huge favor and hit that like button, I'd greatly appreciate it. Also, consider subscribing if you haven't already, as I release a new free training 3 times per week, as well as go live every Tuesday, and you won't want to miss any of it. Finally, if you'd like my free real estate business plan template to track your sales, commissions, profit and loss, net worth, and budget, head over to kylehandy.com/business plan to download it today. Okay, now let's get started. And the first company on our list is Appointment Hunters. Leads don't convert, appointments do. Appointment Hunters is a unique service that's designed to convert your leads into appointments. They provide a vital first step in lead qualification and lead engagement. Appointment Hunters fills an important administrative gap, as it's best suited to agencies already taking in a reasonable number of leads. According to Appointment Hunters, they're an expert at turning potential leads into potential clients. If you found, like many real estate professionals, that leads are way more likely to convert after an appointment, then Appointment Hunters may be an excellent partner. They aren't a digital marketing service. You give them a list and they make the calls. But if you don't have the leads available, you might actually need to start building your book of leads first. Number 2. Arturin. This is Artur, your digital marketing manager. Perhaps you hate real estate digital marketing, period. Arturin is an all-in-one solution, including presence management, review management, automated Facebook ads, Google ads, and more. You can review your real-time inbound marketing analytics, track your SEO, and otherwise fine-tune your content marketing all through Arturin. While you'll still need to manage some of your marketing services, Arturin actually uses an advanced machine learning AI system to perform automated social media management. It's not like having an entire social media team at your disposal, of course, but it's more affordable and it puts you in the driver's seat. Number 3, Bold Leads. We help thousands of agents generate over 1.2 million buyer and seller leads. Most real estate agents can benefit from working with Bold Leads. Designed for agents, Bold Leads makes it possible to claim your territory. From there, you'll be forwarded to potential buyers and sellers generated in the area. Bold Leads is an all-in-one system that includes a CRM, marketing tools, and landing pages. Even better, everything is set up for you. You don't need to worry about a thing. It's worth noting that Bold Leads is a highly tested service. Many people use it for their lead generation, but if you're in a niche area, watch my full review on Bold Leads that I'll link above. Number 4, Boar Digital. Different because you are. Boar Digital doesn't deliver leads, they deliver clients. An appointment generation service, Boar Digital focuses on providing you with qualified leads that are ready to commit. Boar Digital takes on both brokerages and individual agents. With Boar Digital, you can get a partner who will work for you with your lead generation. Plans include email, messaging, web chat, reputation management, call tracking, and more. Higher tier plans even include a website builder and email marketing. So you can get everything that you need in a single place with a single agency. Number 5, ChatterBuzz. No asterisks, no excuses, just results. ChatterBuzz is a digital marketing agency that provides various services, custom web and mobile development, paid media advertising, inbound marketing and activation, creative and content creation, campaign optimization, auditing, and analytics. And for real estate companies, they can help develop a web presence from the ground up. While not all their work is available to the public, they have worked with many real estate companies, including builders and commercial real estate firms. They are a high-profile agency and are most useful for those trying to build a brokerage or a firm, rather than those operating as an independent agent. Number 6. CJO Marketing, local leads on demand. CJO Marketing is a digital and social media marketing company that provides a specific package for real estate agents called Real Estate Closings. Real Estate Closings is focused on generating new leads for real estate professionals every month without any work from the real estate agents themselves. A free consultation is available for those who want to learn more about CJO marketing services and offerings. There are a lot of companies that offer leads without any work, and agents may need to try out a few different tactics before they find one that works for them. Most importantly, don't pay too much until you know something's going to work for you. Number 7, Coffee and Contracts. Build an impactful real estate brand with our jam-packed marketing toolkit. Coffee and Contracts provides everything that a real estate agent might need to start developing their career. That includes fresh content for inbound marketing, images, story templates, video scripts, and customizable marketing guides. As a real estate marketing agency, Coffee and Contracts intends to take the guesswork out of content marketing, website design, and social media branding. Most of the service is automated, so real estate agencies can maintain real estate websites without stress. This is the service for agents who don't want to babysit their blog. Check out my affiliate link with Coffee and Contracts if you'd like to get $15 off your first charge. I'll link it in the description below. Number 8, the Conversion Academy. Don't compete, dominate. The Conversion Academy promises to get you featured in 14 days or less on major sites such as ABC, NBC, Entrepreneur, Business Insider, or Forbes. The theory is simple. You extend your branding and build your credibility. If you found that LinkedIn is no longer getting you where you want to be as a realtor, it may be time to step it up. You can use your newfound fame and credibility to get more prospective clients in the door. This is a fairly niche tool, but it's an interesting one for an agent who has a reputation-based strategy. If you think that you could take advantage of more exposure, it's worth a try. If you haven't really built your empire yet, it might not be. Number 9, Generate Agent Leads. Proven software and lead conversion process. Generate Agent Leads is a well-known lead generation site that promises to get you deals that you can close on autopilot. It includes a mobile app, automated two-way messaging, and a hands-off, no-maintenance process. While it's not going to perform your Facebook marketing or local SEO for you, it can forward you leads that are interested in buying or selling. Number 10, InMotion Real Estate Media, the CRE marketing and design agency. InMotion Real Estate Media provides web development, online marketing, technology integrations, and graphic design for commercial real estate companies. If you want a master of digital marketing design and public relations, InMotion Real Estate Media can do everything for you. InMotion Real Estate Media is completely committed to commercial real estate companies and has a thorough portfolio of over 200 plus companies that it's helped grow their brand. Number 11, Lab Coat Agents, the largest online real estate community. If you're in the real estate business, you may want to join Lab Coat Agents. Lab Coat Agents is dedicated to uncovering the science of the real estate industry. So, if you're a realtor, a real estate investor, or a broker, you can benefit from the information there. In addition to webinars, Lab Coat Agents also supports the Lab Coat Agent Marketing Center, software that's designed to improve real estate marketing and marketing automation. Number 12, Life Marketing. More than just your social media marketing company. Life, spelled L-Y-F-E, Marketing offers social media management services, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. Social media advertising services such as Facebook ads, Twitter promotions, even email and SMS marketing, and pay-per-click management services. Many social media management companies don't manage pay-per-click, email, or SMS marketing. Life Marketing will handle it all, although they still don't do website management or SEO. For more tips on leveraging social media for your real estate business, check out my other video that I'll link above. Number 13, Mesh Road Marketing, marketing that actually works. Mesh Road Marketing is an expert digital marketing agency with an all-in-one platform targeted at making more deals. Their services include targeted advertising, web design, CRM automation, search engine optimization, social media, and real estate marketing. For a real estate client, Mesh Road Marketing has a specific process that is tailored toward closing more sales. Agents can sign up for a free consultation. Number 14, Parkbench. Get to know your local neighborhood. Parkbench helps real estate professionals connect with their local community, including local businesses within their space. Services include one-on-one calls, webinars, live coaching, and a members-only Facebook group. If you need help networking and building out your relationships with your local community, this could be the perfect marketing company for you. Parkbench is not just a digital marketing agency. It's an agency that helps you reach out to those in your area. Number 15, Real Geeks, the best in real estate tech. Real Geeks provides a real estate marketing solution including lead generation, CRM, lead cultivation, and marketing. Rather than strictly providing marketing services, Real Geeks provides a platform that makes it easier for you to manage your branding on your own. The platform will help you set up an IDX website, manage your leads, market on Facebook, and conduct market reporting. There are also additional tools that most marketing services don't provide, such as property valuation tools and market reports. Number 16, Revamped Real Estate. Their website says why most agents are wasting time posting on TikTok and Instagram. Revamped Real Estate promises to generate referrals for free and show real estate agents how to develop the right videos for their brand. It's no secret that the digital marketing arena moves fast. The idea behind Revamped Real Estate is to uncover the tactics that actually work to motivate buyers and sellers without paying for ads. Number 17, Viral Marketing. Another real estate marketing company that's worth a look for the innovative way it's handling marketing online is Viral Marketing. By helping realtors create video marketing, Viral Marketing truly delivers on helping real estate agents build their client base. They explain that they've created a program that is 100% customized to help realtors grow their business. What this means for realtors is that there's no need to spend countless hours creating videos or images for marketing purposes when Viral Marketing can create everything needed in just 30 minutes. Viral Marketing is definitely worth checking out if you're always looking for new ways to expand your business. Alright, so it's time to build your database. Where are you going to get started? There are a lot of real estate marketing companies out there. Some provide platforms for DIY marketing, while others provide everything in a box. It depends on how active and engaged you want to remain. Here are some frequently asked questions that I get on real estate marketing companies. What is the best marketing platform for real estate? Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram are three of the most popular marketing platforms for real estate. Facebook makes it possible to connect deeply with potential clients and build relationships, while YouTube and Instagram allow for high-impact visual media. Why is social media marketing important for real estate? Today, most clients look for real estate and real estate professionals online. Even if they meet someone in person, they want to look them up online to see whether they are trustworthy and effective. If you don't have social media, then it's hard for them to find out more about you. What marketing tools do real estate agents use? Real estate agents who do their own marketing use tools such as Google Analytics, Hootsuite, MailChimp, Facebook, and Twitter. There are a lot of marketing tools out there, and real estate agents may need to experiment with them to find the ones that work for them. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Also, hit that thumbs up button and give this video a like, as it helps my videos reach more real estate agents looking to grow their businesses. And by the way, if you're interested in partnering with me at eXp Realty, head over to my partner page and check out the exclusive benefits that you receive. I'm passionate about helping agents win. I've already partnered with nearly 100 agents across the country to help them increase their real estate business and generate more leads, and I'm never too busy for you. When you partner with me, you receive free access to all of my current and future paid courses, which you can find on academy.kylehandy.com. Additionally, you get access to my private Facebook community called The Dream Team, where I go live multiple times per week. Head over to kylehandy.com/partner for more information. Finally, if you've made it this far, I want to thank you. Type #EndCrew into the comments to let me know that you watched to the end. And now, I want to turn it over to you. What areas of digital marketing do you find most exciting? And which do you wish that you could offload? Until my next video, be well and get out there and sell some homes.